Have you ever stopped to think how money moves across countries when no one physically carries it? When you swipe your card abroad, exchange currency before a trip, or invest in a company based in another country, what invisible system makes all of that work instantly? Most people think international financial markets and instruments are complex ideas that only make sense after formal study. But the truth is, they were created to solve a very real, practical problem long before textbooks existed. To see this clearly, imagine something simple. You're traveling to another country and exchange your local currency for foreign currency at an exchange counter. Without realizing it, that single action already follows the core logic of international financial markets and instruments. This is the Learning Studio, where we break down powerful ideas in accounting and finance in the simplest, most intuitive way. What's actually happening in that moment is straightforward. You're trading one financial asset for another at a price shaped by global demand, supply, and perceived risk. That exchange of value across borders is the core principle behind international financial markets when explained formally. The same idea operates at a much larger scale every single day. Governments raise money from foreign investors by issuing bonds. Companies fund expansion by listing shares on overseas exchanges. Banks use financial instruments to protect themselves against currency and interest rate movements. When a European investor buys US bonds or an Asian company raises capital in London, international financial markets are quietly doing their job, directing capital to where it's needed most. This system didn't appear overnight, and it wasn't created by one individual. Its modern structure was shaped after World War II through global institutions like the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank, which established rules for currency stability, cross-border lending, and international financial cooperation. Their work turned everyday financial behavior into standardized global systems that could be regulated, trusted, and scaled worldwide. Now that you understand the intuition behind international financial markets and instruments, the next natural step is to explore foreign exchange markets and exchange rate systems, where currency prices are actually set and adjusted every day. Stay curious, keep learning, and continue the journey with the Learning Studio. I'll see you in the next episode.